So this little man says that he's going to help put it back together. I guess we're going to have some more 80 series content to share. Welcome back to the channel. I got some news for y'all. So I had a bunch of interest on this 80 as we were, sorry about the giant mess, as we were deciding to get rid of it, that we decided a few days ago, and there's a handful of people that wanted it. And as I was getting everything packed away in the truck, you can see it's full of stuff right now, all the parts and everything boxed up, my boys got the bright idea that they want to stop playing video games in the evenings and help put this thing back together. So I guess that's what we're doing.
Wait, so when are you gonna work on it? During the day or during the night?
When am I gonna work on it?
Yeah.
When are you gonna help work on it?
Yeah, no, when are you gonna work on it so I can help?
In the evenings after I finish work, whenever I'm not traveling. We got the short block. We were gonna place it back in, get it at least on the motor mounts so that somebody could transport it, but instead we started taking bolts off the bell housing so we could get it out of the vehicle. That's the only thing left. The oil pans, the upper and lower and everything, they've been out since 2 years ago. So this little man says that he's going to help put it back together as long as he does his homework and gets good grades first. That's the priority, right? Yes. So there you go. I guess we're gonna have some more 80 series content to share if we're actually gonna be working on this. I was looking at the dates though. May of 2022 was the last real time I ever touched it. Outside of that, I think I've tinkered with it a couple times, but next month is May of 2024. So it's basically 2 years. This poor thing has been sitting primarily untouched. No, wish us luck. Give us some words of encouragement in the comments because we're gonna need it. The good thing is all the parts necessary to do an entire rebuild on the motor are all sitting in boxes now in the back of the trunk area. But we don't really need any parts. Everything, I've got every brand new gasket, hose, everything you could think of to rebuild the whole thing. So there you go. There's the update. We gotta finish cleaning up this mess. Oh God, what are you gonna do with all those Nerf guns, man? And then this TRD supercharger, mess of tools, sorry guys. That needs to go on the 200 series, the LX570 over there. You think we can do it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Let's give it a shot. Love you guys, stay tuned, more to come. See you next time.